Hey everyone, my name is Pete, I'm a senior environment artist, and in the past few months I've been creating this tower inside Unreal Engine 5. And it's not finished or textured completely yet. The ground is kind of messed up, as you can see. It needs some stylized textures on them, on the landscape and the background and stuff like that. But I want to make this quick video as a quick note and as a thank you to some of you. I've been making this tower and documenting it in some of my other videos, but I also started creating this VFX for the portal gate entry of the tower itself. And even though I didn't even finish the texturing on the mesh itself, I thought, you know what, it will be kind of fun if I were to make a little bit of gameplay. And that is when I made it so you get close to it, it plays this sound, and then you whoosh through it, it darkens the screen. You have different versions of it. It teleported us from one location to another in the existing level, but it can also teleport you to a brand new level by loading this different level, as you can see in here. I made the VFX and the Niagara that you see splashing around there, also that vortex through a material graph. And I thought it would be fun to just tint it into all kinds of different colors in order to give more variety. But when I was making it, I immediately thought, you know what, I just need to turn this into a tutorial series. And that's what I've been making in the past few months. Just now, I wrapped up recording the final part of this tutorial series. There's a lot out, and we cover all kinds of topics, and I'm hoping that you've learned a lot through them. If you haven't watched them, please go to my channel and look at the playlist. You'll learn how to create this blueprint, which is a holder of all of the different pieces, like so. You can plop it into the world, and through an enum over here, you can change its appearance, instantaneous, just like this. You can tell it where to teleport to. When you're moving it around, it's just one blueprint that holds everything. There's the different sounds that play. There's a construction script. This is what changes the colors. So you learn a lot about that. There's the event graph where all of the logic executes to teleport you from one spot to another. Then when it comes to the VFX, we have these planes with these materials that we made together in the videos. As such, it's a brilliant opportunity to learn how to make a vortex like this and create a parent material in the shape of this right here that then lets you quickly change colors and permutate different variations. And once we're done with that, we head into Niagara Systems and create these cool swirly effects that go in front for our gate. So again, I hope that if you've watched it, you've had a lot of fun and you've learned a lot. And again, this video is to thank you for watching and for supporting me through this. If you haven't seen it, please head to the channel and watch it. And a very quick call to action here. Please like and subscribe, because I made all of these tutorials for free and it took me a lot of months of recording, editing, and just tons of stuff in order to bring this to you. A lot of people create this type of tutorial series to be paid courses on popular websites out there where you can buy them. I thought that I want to share the knowledge and what I know from the games industry that I've been part of the past 6 years for free with you, and I hope that you appreciate that. If you don't have any means to help in any way, just subscribe and like. If you have some means, make sure to head to my coffee page, which is linked in the video description, and perhaps you could buy me a coffee over there. Either way, thanks to everyone for watching, and thank you very much for everyone that has been sharing these links and my tutorials over on Blue Sky. I really appreciate all of you. I hope you've learned a lot, and I hope that you've had a wonderful day. Signing out from here in the really rainy Liverpool. Bye. Sorry, audio is doing bizarre stuff on the other screen, and I got scared. No, we're good. Where were I?